I just want to tell you about the Ireland versus Hungary match. Troy Parrott saves the day for Ireland. So first, I just want to talk about the start. Ireland give away a corner. He passes it, and it's a great crossing from Sabazlai, and then bam, goal. But then it's a penalty on Ogbene. Troy Parrott takes it calmly, scores. Come on, Ireland, 1-1. And then a brilliant goal from Lesson Varga to make it 2-1. And then Troy Parrott in the 80th minute makes it 2-2. And then in the last minute of the game, Troy Parrott gets a little touch on it to win Ireland the game. Come on, Ireland! See it? Look. It says Ireland, you probably don't see it. But bye! What a win for Ireland. There's Troy Parrott, come on!